Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I've got an update on the Uniden Uniace 100 that I'm working on. So, the first thing I've done is I've got the transmitter balanced so that on channel 20 we've got, I'll show you, on the meter and transmit. That's where we are on the meter on channel 20. If I take that down to channel 1. Like so. So it's now on channel 1. I'll bring that in for you so you can see that. So if we go back up to the meter again, transmit again. Not too far off. That's one of the last jobs I needed to do and I hadn't quite done it because I didn't have any trimmer tools, but I do now. Then we've got channel 40. I'll just bring that in so you can see that again. Channel 40. We look at the meter again and I transmit. Again, we're about the 4 watt mark on this meter, so it's probably about 3 watts, give or take. But it could well be 4 watts. I don't actually know how accurate that meter is. And we're also working on low power. I've just switched that to low power now. So we're good. So that's done. The other thing I've done is I've changed the 2 capacitors that are known to go bad. So they're done, so that should be fine. I shouldn't have to worry about those. They are smaller than the parts that were removed. I've not actually tested those capacitors. They probably were fine because the radio was working when I got it, but it's 40 odd years old, so it makes sense to change those. And that's pretty much it. The other thing I've done really is apart from balance the transmitter and change those capacitors, is I've set the S meter so it reads correctly on transmit, or the RF meter. And I'll just see if I can bring the RF meter in for you. So channel 20, yeah, it's in the red zone. It's fine. That's reading okay, and that's pretty much that. So that's the update on the project to get this Uniden Uniace 100 working again. So it's one of my radios, and certainly going to make it work. So I've got the receiver to do, but I still need a signal generator and a frequency counter and other things to actually finish the radio off properly. So I'm just waiting for those to arrive. So 7-3 for now, and I'll catch you in the next one.